Hello my crafty friends, this is Yolanda from craftysentiments.com and I'm back with another video. If you are brand new to my channel, then welcome. And if you've been here before, then welcome back. I have a really quick card for you today. You don't need a lot of special supplies or anything to create this card. Recently I was in a group where the CEO of Stampin Up did a demonstration of a card, and she likes to do really simple cards, and she calls them a 4-step card, where you have a card base, designer series paper, a sentiment, and some embellishments. So I'm going to do a take on what she created the other day for us, and really quick. So I have my Tombow adhesive, or mono adhesive. I have some Misty Moonlight ink. I have the Label Me Lovely punch. And I am going to be using a sentiment from the Sunny Sentiments. I'm going to be using a Happy Hello to You. I'll set that aside. And I have some rhinestones. And here's my card base, which is a piece of Misty Moonlight that measures 8.5 by 5.5. And I scored it and folded it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of basic white that goes for the inside sentiment. And that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And here's my designer series paper. Some little bitty, you can actually do this with scraps. I mean, it's so really easy to go ahead and do. This 4 pieces measure 3 by 1 inch, and I have 4 of those. And these came from the it's a Hostess pack of paper that you can receive. And it's called Love You Always Specialty Designer Series Paper. And it measures 12 by 12, and you get, how many sheets? I think you get 48 sheets in here. Just an enormous pack of paper that you can get. But again, you can use any of your designer series paper, any of your scraps. This is really good if you're going to do scraps. Use scraps and use them up. So let's go ahead and get started creating this card. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead and glue the inside down. Now for right now, I'm not going to use a sentiment of any kind because I don't know exactly what I'm going to write on the inside. So I'll leave the inside blank. And we're just going to glue that in the center like so. And there you go. Half the card is ready. And so basically what we're going to do. Oh, I just had my bone folded. I don't know what I just... I just had it a second ago. At any rate, so what we're going to do, we're just going to haphazardly lay down these 4 sheets of cardstock or designer series paper. You can do it in whatever shape, form, or fashion that you wish. I am going to just go ahead and just lay them out randomly. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll turn them on the back. And we're going to use the Tombow. Oop, gotta be careful. You don't want to add too much. But because this goes by so quick, just like so. And then we're just going to lay them on our card. And I'm going to kind of zigzag it, or I'm not going to lay them evenly across. Just a little bit wonky. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. And here's the 4th one. Just like that. And we're going to make sure that they're all stuck down pretty good. Like that. And I'm going to set that aside. I'll set my glue aside because actually I'm through with that. Now I'm going to stamp my sentiment. And I need just a small piece of cardstock. I have cardstock on the side. And I am going to be using the Sunny Sentiments stamp set of the Happy Hello. Ink it up really good. Label it down like so. Let it absorb and up. Oh, that came out so good. Happy, happy. And then we're going to cut it out with the Label Me Lovely punch. Make me center it inside however you want. And we're going to put that up. We're going to pop this up on some dimensionals. I tell you, this is super easy. She does these really, really cute cards, but and she does them really quickly. And so with this, you can make dozens of these cards because again, you're going to use a fraction of the paper that is in the pack. And you know, sometimes you have those papers that you just don't know what you're going to use them with or how you're going to work with it. It's like it doesn't match anything that you'd want, or maybe it's the ones that you really don't care for in the pack. Those are the best ones to go ahead and use. And I'm going to set my sentiment right here. And so the next thing we're going to do is lay down some rhinestones. Just a few. And I'm going to use the back of this. And I'll set the first one there. And you can use as many or as little as you want. Any kind of embellishments that you would like. I think I'm going to use about 5 on here. If I can get it, it's kind of trying to run away from me. And super cute and fast is this card. And there you have it, my friends. I told you it was a super fast card. You can, of course, embellish it and do a multitude of different things with it and make the background. I mean, there's just lots of different things that you can go ahead and do with it. But if you want something quick and easy and simple, this is the way to go. And I really enjoyed having some fresh ideas that Sarah had used for us. So that is my card today. Now, if you want to do an envelope along with it, you can use, I used some coordinating designer series paper in Misty Moonlight, and I just glued it to the top of the envelope flap, glued it down, and then cut around it. And there you go. A quick and simple card in mere minutes. So thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and excuse me, share the video with others who may be interested in learning how to craft and how to make cards, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and make sure that you hit the little notification bell so you can be notified of a future video. So that's all I have for you for today. This is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'll be back real soon with another video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.